My interest in the Antarctic started when I was about 10, because I had the stories of Scott's expedition read to me, and somehow it sort of stuck in my mind as this terrible place where people died. And over the years, that interest was still there. When I was at university, in Christchurch, we lived not very far from Harewood Airport. And of course, in the late 50s, aircraft were roaring off in the night, going off to Antarctica as part of IGY. And as a student, we used to go out to Harewood Airport and see if we could hitch a ride to Antarctica. I just finished university, needed a job, and more or less stumbled into New Zealand Soil Bureau. Didn't know anything about soil, so it was on-the-job learning. A few years later, after I joined Soil Bureau, on the date that my first child was born, I was asked if I'd like to go to the Antarctic with Graham Claridge for 3 months. So yeah, decided to go then and take the opportunity. Once I started working privately, I was concerned about all the information we had, and it needed to go somewhere. It would enable people who are really interested to get this sort of information, maybe generate some new ideas, and say, we've got these samples here, I could do this sort of analysis or whatever on them without actually going to the Antarctic.